Wow, 1.8 billion coins of Teuna Classic has been destroyed in 3 days. 3 days, 1.8 billion LUNC. This is actually coming from a group of Teuna Classic supporters that burn huge coins of Teuna Classic coin. If not, in 3 days, most times you see Teuna Classic burning just 500, 400 or 600 million coins. But right now we have recorded over 1.8 billion coins that have been destroyed. Now, this is what we have been hoping to see. This is what, especially me, I've been hoping to see groups of people, especially people that have huge coins of Teuna Classic, to support and burn some of their holding. And a lot of people in the past 3 months now has been supporting LUNC. Just unlike as of early this year and last year, you will see that so many Teuna Classic holders were not supporting the burning, and Teuna Classic was not even burning much coin. But recently, you see that so many people have now engaged in the burning of Teuna Classic. So many people, and most especially groups of people and some whales, they are all engaging in the burning of Teuna Classic recently, which is definitely good. Which I love this. So I'm happy that Teuna Classic is really increasing in terms of burning. And if this can continue almost every day, definitely we are already heading towards 0.01 or 0.001 within a short period of time. So please, if you are a Teuna Classic holder and you are holding a lot of Teuna Classic coin, please support Teuna Classic by sending out some few of your coins to the burning address. Okay, yes, you can see. If you go to Teuna Classic, you see the burn address there. You can just transfer some of the holding into that address for burning. Just show support. No matter how it is, even if it's just 1% of your holding, whatever you feel like, 2%, 5%, 10%, just please support Teuna Classic. I am pleading because we all have Teuna Classic coin. I've done mine before and I'll keep supporting. So we want to see Teuna Classic rise. We want to see Teuna Classic pumps. But please remember that it's just a free will. If you wish to do what? To bond, you can do that. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.